In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pending order on MT5 MetaTrader 5 mobile. First, open the MT5 app and log into your broker account. Once you are inside, go to the quotes section where all trading assets are listed. Then select the asset you want to trade, for example gold, and open its chart. Now you need to decide your entry level. Remember that a buy limit order is placed below the current price, while a sell limit order is placed above the current price. In this example, we are using a sell limit, so we choose a price level above the current market, such as 3615, and copy it. After that, go to the trade section and tap the plus icon to create a new order. Select gold again, change the order type from market execution to sell limit, and enter the exact price level you copied. Then set your lot size, for example 0.05, and optionally add stop loss and take profit for risk management. Finally, tap place and your pending order will be created and visible on the chart at the selected price level. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.